Hello, viewers. I'm so much happy to see your smiling faces again. Now we will learn some vocabularies. Before start, if you are not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's start. I, 妈妈，我爱你。妈妈，我爱你。我爱吃米饭。我爱吃米饭。八，他儿子今年8岁了。他儿子今年8岁了。爸爸，我爸爸是医生。我爸爸是医生。杯子，杯子里有茶。杯子里有茶。北京，我住在北京。我住在北京。本，桌子上有一本书。桌子上有一本书。不客气，不客气。谢谢你。不客气。谢谢你。不客气。不，不，我不是学生。我不是学生。菜，菜，我去超市买点菜。我去超市买点菜。今天我做了3个菜。今天我做了3个菜。茶，茶，请喝杯茶吧。请喝杯茶吧。So, this was for today. Practice more and more. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a like. See you in our next video. Bye bye.